on, guys? Edward here, back with another video. Thank you so much for being here. Thursday, we're still having the earning reports. Today was pretty much Apple, I believe Amazon as well. It was a little crazy also, pretty much the same as to when it started on Monday. The market has been very, very choppy and with a few fake outs. Like, this is pretty much the setup at the like early morning that I was sending actually to my team, and I was telling them that I was not feeling that confident to actually make entries today. So I was just telling them that right here around this area, it looks good. It looks actually really good for a potential buy right there, but I was waiting for a confirmation to jump in. So we didn't get in. We actually didn't get in. I was just sending that scenario right there, because I was also drawing a different scenario. This was the buy scenario on Nasdaq, and this right here was the sell scenario on Nasdaq. Okay, and this is what happened. The market actually faked us out. Will fake me out today. Right here, you can see that it was creating this nice channel. We're still, like, the price went above this little support right here slash resistance. The price broke above, and then it started going down with the New York Stock Exchange opening right here. This candle right here started going down and breaking. This second candle actually broke my trend line and it broke my channel. But then, after the next one, it just started pushing up. At 9:30 in the morning, the market has started pushing up and just went straight up, stopping me out immediately. Almost skyrocketing after that. After the fake out to the downside, the price pushed up very, very strong. So, of course, faking us out today. And if you also see on the buy scenario that I was having, I am sure this was what I was, if I would have taken this entry, this is the position that I would most likely have taken that at that time, at that hour. And by the way, let me actually show you that on the team so you can confirm that I did actually share this potential buy, which is this one right here. This is the VIP signal group. See, the market was right here. Okay. You see that I was saying right here, Nasdaq, I want to see if this will work or not. I'm not getting in. I'm waiting for my last confluence, which is a trigger, right? I wanted to see if, starting to see some rejection in this area, because the market was already rejecting, well, not rejecting, but stopping right here on the golden zone on the Fibonacci, from the low to the high. The price was pulling back, touching the golden zone, touching a previous area right here. And I'm still also technically on top of this little uptrend right here. So I didn't get in. You see that I didn't get in. I wanted to see a much bullish, a bullish engulfing candle or pin bar or, some other triggers right here in this area for me to actually buy. So that was me. I know that people normally, when they get in, when the price is pulling back, for example, right? You got this push and the price pulls back to a previous zone, right? It's pulling back. I know people will get in aggressively right there on a buy. So I am pretty sure a lot of people got in thinking that the market will continue pushing up, maybe with the New York Stock Exchange opening, and maybe placing the stops below previous low, below this area, just a few pips below this area right here. And most likely got actually stopped out right there. And look at what happened. The price just went down, stopping people out, and then skyrocketing after that. So now the market is pulling back because of the recent earnings report that just came out a few minutes ago. So that's why the market has dropped, has pretty much corrected. But it's been a pretty crazy week, to be honest. I'm not sure if I'm going to be trading tomorrow. I told my students that be careful. Price is very choppy. It is creating a lot of fake outs, because right now it's based on fundamentals right now. So I rather right now stay away than jumping in. And one of my students actually did catch a buy on S&P 500. I believe was somewhere around this drop on a 5-minute. Was spotting some type of correction after the market was dropping and stopping on a 4200 psychological level, started pushing, pulling back, and getting into a buy in this area. So it was a nice buy, but it's still, I wasn't even watching S&P 500 today. To be honest, I was more into Nasdaq. I really wanted to see Nasdaq because that was the one showing me at least the best formation there in this area. So I just skipped this one, but it was a nice opportunity to actually buy. So what you see right there, the market is rejecting, just touched right there, the body of the candle you see is rejecting the 4300 psychological level. So let's see if just a pullback, after this big push right here, you having a pullback going back to previous zone, this little area right here. So let's see if the market will stop right there and maybe continuation to the upside or what. Tomorrow, again, we're going to have we still have some earnings reports tomorrow. So it can still get pretty hectic, So be careful, guys. When trading, I rather wait for, for this whole news to go away basically until next week. I don't believe we're going to have more earnings report next week. I am checking the actual news. I will confirm that with you guys. If you're interested in seeing me trading, live, I am doing lives now on the VIP Signal group as well. Since it's part of the bundle that I'm offering right now, which is the course, mentorship, and a VIP Signal group. If you're really interested into learning, this is something you might want to be interested in, okay? Just check it out. Go on my website, teamprofitsenglish.com, and you will find the information in there. If you also want to follow me on my free Telegram group, which I also post analysis in there on indices only. I do share from time to time setups on pairs, but it's limited to basically indices only. So if you're really interested, just go check it out. The link is in the description below. You might want to take a look. Alrighty. That will be all pretty much for today, guys, this little update, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Be patient. Let's see what's going to happen. If you don't feel like trading, just skip it. It's better sometimes to, depending on the volatility and how the market is doing, it's better to skip the day, better to not trade than actually trading just because, and knowing that there is a lot of, shoppiness in the market. Okay, so just be careful, guys. See you tomorrow. Have a great day.